can keep throwing out orders. In fact, bring cameras and record us. We've been fighting for survival, and you're gonna learn what war does. Why did he call it an army? That's cause he's filled with souls. There's a war going on outside in his life. You can keep the revolvers. If you wanna know something about me, the blood in my veins is full of northern grit. I got that northern soul, man, I got bags of it. We're far from ordinary people. And if you wanna know something about us, the hearts in our chests are full of northern love. And even when we're broke, we'll always have enough. We're far from ordinary people. We're far from ordinary. Blessed like we're gonna watch our parents stress. No chance. And more time our parents are broken up anyway. There's no romance. And the car's been sold. And that's cause there's no keeping up with their finance. What did he want us to do? Skip down the road to the job centre and just hold hands? It's not easy out here. Depression's a killer, especially when you've got no plan. So much pain on a daily basis. Would you not grab the painkiller with both hands? It's a shame the painkiller's weed and liquor, strong enough to wipe out the whole gang. If I'm being brutally honest, I don't condone it, but I understand the stealing and the violence. Yeah, man, run when you hear the sirens. No comment, leave the room in silence. That's the same boy whose mum got treated bad in the job centre on Friday. Dad don't care, so he lacks the guidance. It's a shame that the streets are evil, but that's just where we grown up. Not everything was legal, but that's where we learned to be tough. Most people grind to a halt like a car with no petrol or no diesel, but we keep it moving round here, cause we're far from ordinary people. If you wanna know something about me, the blood in my veins is full of northern grit. I got that northern soul, man, I got bags of it. We're far from ordinary people. And if you wanna know something about us, the hearts in our chests are full of northern love. And even when we're broke, we'll always have enough. We're far from ordinary people. I see the raindrops falling again. We look up to greet the heavens. Who cares if we had harsh beginnings? We look onwards. If you wanna know something about me, the blood in my veins is full of northern grit. I got that northern soul, man, I got bags of it. We're far from ordinary people. And if you wanna know something about us, the hearts in our chests are full of northern love. And even when we're broke, we'll always have enough. We're far from ordinary people. We're far from ordinary. We're far from ordinary.
You can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, the heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer.
into what is an important league encounter. Both teams will be wanting the points to further their respective claims. Every game is a big game. Kept his eye on the ball and won it. Shamak. Referee did try to give it a chance there, but they didn't take advantage, so he's brought it back for the free kick. Fancies himself. Jedinak. He's won the ball back. Plays some good stuff at the back. Jedinak. You can see why they keep going to the target man. He's a real handful. Wasn't going to let him get away, was he? Done well to seize upon the ball there. Taken away from him on the wing. Doesn't lack for confidence. He did well to reach from that far out, but he was never going to score. A good long ball forward. Jedinak. Defended his flank well there. He's got some skill. Jedinak. You'll see a lot of their attacking play going through the big centre forward here. Difficult to pick up when he moves a little deeper like this. Defenders don't know whether to go with him or not. Dawson. Not going to break them down like that. Delaney. Reached out his arm there to stop the ball. Referee had to give a free kick. Looking inside. Got the ball back out wide. Well cut out. Shamak. A little cut off and lost possession. Both teams trying to make progress down the flanks. Everyone knows their roles and areas when they're defending. It's a zonal system. Tackles that, it's always going to be a free kick.
Well, he went flying into that challenge, Brian, but he's lucky not to get booked.
Jedinak. Be a said to me we'd reach half-time without a goal, I'd have been very surprised, but it's looking that way now. What can they make of this? Shamak! He's such an intelligent defender, reads the game so well. Dawson. Free kick awarded for the challenge. Tottenham are getting hemmed in here, they're having to pull men back. Looking for a way through. Shamak. It's coped with that. Half-time rise with the scores level at 0-0.
Well, unless that improves, Clive, I'm off 10 minutes before the end. I'm going to leave you to it.
One or two fans still making their way back to their seats, but we are underway for the second half.
Good score from that far out.
Shamak. Won the ball back out there. Good positioning, anticipated there. Finding their men well, aren't they? Shamak. That's fine defending. Linesman signal for a throw.